All right, welcome to the course. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com, and I'll be your instructor today. In this video, I want to spend just a couple of minutes sort of talking about what you can expect from this course, letting you know how to get a hold of me, and talking about the tools that we're going to need to download to get started. So this is a course in MySQL for Node. So we're going to be learning how to use the MySQL database with Node JavaScript. So you should be a little bit familiar with Node. If you're not, you'll probably be okay. I'm not going to spend any time sort of discussing how we're setting up Node or anything like that. But the Node that we're going to be using in this course is going to be very basic. So if you're not familiar with Node, you should be okay. You don't have to be any sort of familiar with MySQL at all, or even SQL database stuff at all. So we're going to go from the very beginning. We're going to download MySQL. We're going to download Node. We're going to download a text editor, a terminal. We're going to download some tools that go with MySQL. So you'll have everything you need in this course. Everything to download is free. There's nothing to buy or anything like that, so you should be able to follow along. Now, I'm on a Windows computer. Hopefully you are too. If you're on a Linux or a Mac, you should be able to follow along. All the tools that we're going to download have a Linux or Mac equivalent that you can download, and I'll talk about that in the next couple of videos. The code that we're going to be writing is not going to matter whether you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac. The code is the same. So you should be able to follow along no matter what computer you're on. It just may be a little easier to follow if you're on a Windows computer. So my name is John Elder. Like I said, I'm your instructor in this course. If you have any questions along the way, absolutely feel free to contact me anytime. If you're watching this at Udemy, you can use the Udemy message system to send me a direct message, or you can leave a comment under the videos. There's a messaging system built in there. Either way, I try and sort of answer questions as soon as I can. This is what I do full time. I'm here all day, every day, either creating new courses or answering questions, or both usually. So, I'm in Las Vegas, sort of West Coast Pacific time. So if you're on the other side of the world and it's the daytime there, I'm probably asleep here. So just keep that in mind when you send a question. But generally, I try and answer all the questions as soon as possible, at least within 24 hours for sure. So absolutely feel free. Like if you don't understand something, I want you to understand it. So shoot me a message. If something's not working, if you're getting error messages, send me the message. Paste the error message that you're getting right into the message, and I'll take a look at it. I'll take a look at your code, whatever it takes to sort of help you understand what's going on and get you over whatever hump you're at. So like I said, there are no stupid questions. I see all the questions. I've seen everything. I've been doing this for several years, and it's just really important that you understand what you're learning as you go. And if you don't, I'm not doing a very good job myself. So definitely send those questions if you have them along the way. So I think that's all for this video. In the next video, we're going to jump in and start downloading all the tools. We need to download several things in order to do all this in this course. So we'll get started with that in the next video.